In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your invite lands in the right place so your team can start collaborating right away. First, log into your ClickUp workspace. From the main view, head to your workspace overview or your team space in the left sidebar, so you're oriented in the right place. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. In the menu that opens, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage your account and workspace controls. On the left side of the settings page, select People. This is the hub for managing teammates. You'll see a field where you can add new people by email address. Type the email of the person you want to invite. If you're bringing in multiple people, you can paste several addresses and separate them with commas or spaces. A quick tip here: double check for typos before sending. If you already have a list in a spreadsheet, copy and paste it directly to save time. When your emails look good, click Invite People. You'll then confirm by selecting Send Invite. ClickUp will show a confirmation that your invites were sent successfully, and you'll also see a small notification pop up in the bottom left corner to let you know everything went through. On the recipient's side, they'll get a notification in their inbox and an email letting them know they've been invited to your workspace. They simply accept the invitation to join. If they don't already have a ClickUp account, they'll be prompted to create one or sign in with an existing login. If they can't find the email, remind them to check spam or promotions folders, just in case. Back in your people settings, you'll see the folks you invited listed there, often with a pending or active status depending on whether they've accepted yet. That's it. You've added someone new in ClickUp. It's a quick process that pays off immediately. Once teammates are in your workspace, you can assign tasks, share docs, and streamline communication without juggling multiple tools. This simple workflow makes it easier to scale your projects, keep everyone aligned, and move faster as a team. You've successfully added a new person, and you now have a repeatable process you can use anytime your team grows. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, hit like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one.